is amazing. This is wonderful. Just take a look at this. This is fantastic. Not just that our clients are here, realtors are also here, and surveyors are here, okay? They are going to allocate this property to them, show them where their plots of land is and the beacon numbers, okay? Now, this is amazing. If you're not here, you're missing out so much. Excited to show you what is going to be happening here today. This is amazing.
It's flying like a...
So, as you can see, everybody's here, not just realtors and surveyors. Also, clients are here to see their properties at Destiny Layout. And also, we'll be launching Destiny Layout Annex, okay? So, stay tuned till the end, right? I'm Victoria Chinsirum, your #1 realtor here in Enugu State. And yes, I help you deliver genuine and affordable properties here in Enugu, be it lands or houses.
Everything, right? Clients now do investigation. So clients investigate. Investigation, part of investigation is inspections, right? Because inspection is a physical part of investigation. Is that true? Also, so after investigation is done, then the purchase is made. So everything before the purchase is pre-purchase. Abi? Yes, sir. Then once the purchase is made, afterwards is what? Documentation, which is the post-purchase. We as winning realtors, we that know what we do as realtors, we don't stop when payment is made. Is that correct? Yes. We pick it up and make sure that the client possesses his land. Is that true? Yes. And then we move from when the payment is made to documents. So the client now gets the plot or plots he bought in his name. Abi? Yes. And after that, we then bring the clients back to the site to allocate them physically. It's not like the allocation hasn't been done. It was done on paper. Is that correct? It was done on paper, but we need them to see their plots on the ground because real estate is a tangible asset. It's a physical asset. You can actually lie down and sleep on your plot. It's fine. It's yours. All right? And so we do that. And after that, after allocation, then the client now goes ahead to take possession. Is that correct? At this point, and only at this point, the job stop at the realtor. In fact, after the possession, you can even come from time to time and check your client's plots to be sure that everything is okay. Is that correct? Yeah. Amazing. So today, we have gone through most of those processes and we're here to physically show clients where their plots are. That's what we're doing today. We're not going to take time in doing it. As you can see, the closer is still working. The rains and a few other things made the delay. But since we had fixed a date and we wanted our clients to see their properties where it is, that is why we're still having this today. Are we excited? Are we excited? All right, so I'm going to invite you, please. Ben, now you.
So, Destiny Layout it's a layout that was developed by the Agbogazi people, and the survey was done by Job Research Services Limited. And then we acquired the property from Job Research Services Limited. The property was given to them as payment for the survey services they rendered to the community. So we acquired the property from them. So as you can see, we're doing clearing and beaconing. We're doing beaconing. Most times we don't take people to our clients to the site until we finish the beacon. Some people do beaconing and they don't write the people, and they can also cross-check the numbers on their beacon, their survey plan with the beacon numbers on the ground. So you see that it corresponds with the one on the plan, because that plan, copy of it still goes to the Ministry of Land. The plot copy still goes to the Ministry of Land. So that you be assured that what you have on paper is still what you have on the ground, and also what is in the Ministry of Land for proper documentation. So without wasting much of our time, we'll have to go into the allocation proper.
Alright, without the question.
The beacon numbers are already there.
Yes.
If you look around, you see some beacons on ground. Look at the top, you see some numbers. If they show you your plot, you can cross-check it with the one on the
They are all registered at land. You can actually go and verify. And even after now, we'll do all the beacon because we have the annex we are going to launch as well. Okay. Destiny Annex was born out of the demand of clients. So immediately we close sales here. In fact, before I even go there, I want you people, you all to appreciate yourselves for making Destiny a landmark. Like right now, if people want to describe properties in this area, they use Destiny layout as a landmark. Please appreciate yourselves. Even without the signboard being mounted, people will say, oh, you know Destiny, so after Destiny, if you go like this, you will see our board. So please appreciate yourselves. Now, because of that, and because of the relationship we built with the community, we're able to acquire another 100 plots that we term Destiny Annex. Destiny Annex is currently opening price is behind there. Now, if you notice, if you've been coming here for inspections, we went round, The layout begins at the front there, but we had to go round because we wanted the open. One of the reasons was I wanted the developer opening to come from here to that front. Because some clients' plots are behind, others are in front. It doesn't make sense that everybody comes and imagines his plot is in front there. There's a road, there's a big access road somewhere there. If you were looking very well, you see it. But it wasn't cleared. We went round, and that one will be cleared as well, as soon as everything is good. Meanwhile, across here is Destiny Annex. The survey plan is in the office. We'll share it with you all so you can get to see. Destiny Annex is opening price at 1.5 million. I thought you would appreciate that. 1.5 million. And of course, the projection that by the end of this year, of course, it will go up. However, we have a promo for those that are buying today, between today and Friday next week. Survey plan, the survey and deed of assignment, that's the documentation, is currently 300,000. So deed of assignment is 100,000 and survey is 200,000. Of course, this is a new price from the Ministry of Lands, not us. Okay, even the Surveyors Association of Nigeria also increased their prices. Right, so it now used to be 210. I mean, it's currently at 300,000. However, those that are buying within 1 week will get a free survey and documents. So please appreciate it. So that's a whooping 300,000 naira off. So free survey and documentation. So that means that for the 1.5 million, everything is inclusive. That's nice.
Now, around December, Destiny Layout was launched for 800,000, and by the 1st of January, Destiny Layout started selling for 1 million naira only. Then, during around July, Destiny Layout started selling for 1.5 million naira, and it was sold out. Right? It was sold out around August to show you how massive Destiny Layout is, to show you that this estate is really working. And by the 1st of October, Destiny Layout will be selling for 2 million naira. This is awesome. This is amazing. This is why you need to invest in a reliable real estate company, not just a reliable real estate company, with a reliable real estate agent, right? Now, we are here doing the allocation of Destiny layout. We are about to show clients their plots. We are about to show them the beacon numbers on ground and that their properties are already registered. Remember, I am that one agent that will help you secure affordable and genuine plots in Enugu. Okay, so call me now to secure your own plot at Destiny Annex, because this will be one of the best investment decisions you have ever made so far. All right?
Cause you there a mess, don't be mess. Terminator.
This is amazing. This is super exciting, right? If you missed out on this is another opportunity for you to invest in Destiny Annex, okay? So call me today and don't miss out on this amazing offer that I'm giving to you today. Just take a look at this. If you missed out on this, you're missing out a lot. Real estate is the best investment you should be looking out for, right? And I am the best agent you should work with, because I sell to you genuine and secure properties, and you can also get allocated like the one we are doing here today. So make sure you call me on the number that is displayed on the screen and don't miss out on this amazing opportunity, okay?
After a while, you're going up and you keep going up.
Exactly. Thank you so much. We appreciate all our realtors and clients that keyed into this project. We appreciate you. And for those that are keying into the annex, we expect that you call us, call all the numbers on your screen, so that we're able to, give you an access to this place on time.